Here's the forks for the mini bike. Some kid must have smacked a tree or something, bent them all up, so we're gonna heat it up, try and stick this rod through there, see if we can get it straightened back out. Here's the first one. Looks pretty good. It is just a mini bike. Not too bad. It'll ride. So here they are. This is the first one. This is the second one. They look pretty straight this way. Then turn them on their sides. The first one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and try and get that out. The second one turned out way better, so let's do that. Pretty happy with how these turned out. Gonna get them home, scuff them up, and lay down some paint. Woo!